In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell items from your Steam inventory. So if you find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So this works for any Steam game. It can be, for example, Counter-Strike items, like I'm going to do. And by selling them, you will get money on your Steam balance. So all you need to do is go to your profile and click on inventory. Now, once you are here, you can filter by a specific game. In this case, let's say Counter-Strike. And as you can see, I have some items right here. I have skins and cases as well. So you can click on them and scroll down and you will see the price of each item. So depending on the item you choose, it will have a price on the market or another one. So just click on the item you want to sell. Let's say it's this one, for example. Then you can view the community market by clicking here, or you can click on sell. Now you should see the graph of the price on a specific date. You can filter it by week, month, or lifetime, and just put in a price. So you can see the current price right here. This is today's price, and just put it right here. Put the price you want to sell this item for. So if this is the price, you should sell it for a similar price. So it can be, for example, say I want to sell it for a little bit cheaper so people buy it faster. Just click here. This is how much you will receive. This is how much people will pay, because Steam will take a small fee, and then put it for sale. So that's it. Then people can buy your item and you will automatically get your money on your Steam wallet balance. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.